What's up, everybody? Evan here, back from Van Ness Mechanical on that finished product of the previous video I just made of what this used to look like. We had a demolition of a oil-fired burner and relocation of a tankless hot water heater. What we installed was a Crown Phantom Series boiler. High efficiency condensing boiler. Everything turned out great. Finished product, everything looks good. This is the Cadillac model for heating systems, I say, in residential. You don't see a lot of heating systems like this in people's houses for residential. This is just a single zone house too. But yeah, everything turned out good. Everything turned out good. Nice and clean. You can reach me at my Facebook page, my Instagram. You can direct message me. Van Ness Mechanical Incorporated. 484-707-5578. And we're working on getting the web page up. And this homeowner, everything was clean. Took consideration with the whole COVID. It's for everybody's safety. Yeah, this is everything, guys. Van Ness Mechanical Incorporated.